Meet Leo. He's starting a brand new day at school.
Yay, school!
School is a place for learning, but also for making friends. But sometimes, school can feel a little bit lonely for some. Then came lunchtime, the loudest part of the day. Maya had a lunchbox full of treats and a note from home. She noticed Sam didn't have a lunchbox today. He looked sad. Maya knew she had a choice to make. A big one.
Hey Sam, don't eat alone. Come sit with me. Thanks, Maya. Of course, sharing is more fun. Hey Sam, my mom packed way too much today. Want some? Sure, Maya. Thanks.
Sam's face lit up like a Christmas tree. He couldn't believe it.
This is way more fun than eating alone. Yeah, suddenly the table didn't feel so big or lonely anymore. This is good. Yeah, it's fun.
Kindness is like a spark. Once it starts, it spreads fast.
What's up? High five! This is fun! Friendship isn't about what you have. It's about what you give. You're it, Sam! I'll get you!
Whoa, are you okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Because when you're kind, you get back even more than you gave.
Their school started a kindness wall to celebrate every small win. The school felt different. It felt like a community. Remember Leo? He found out that one friend can change everything.
Be the spark. Be kind. See you next time.